How to insert a number 5 zipper pull onto your zipper tape. Make sure your tape is cut dead straight across the top. Separate the teeth. Have the curved edge facing you. Place it over one side gently. Pop the other side on and line them up so they're dead even, and give that a push. And your slider is on. That needs to be dead even when you start and when you finish. That way you won't have any dents or puckers in your zipper tape. Once again, dead straight at the top, separate the teeth, pop your slider on, insert the other side, line it up so that it's even, give it a push. And if your teeth aren't dead straight, do it again. Put it on, line up the tape so that it's straight at the top, push, and you're done. Easy.